Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more again. Right now, we're doing a chart analysis on Coinbase IPO. So, I've already pre-marked up the chart. Opening price was at $381. It ended up moving up, creating a high, and the bears came in instantly and drove this market down and created a low at 310. Right now, it's starting to consolidate and creating a range here. So right now, the Bears are currently running the show. It's only one day of movement. We'll see what tomorrow brings and Friday brings. So we got 2 days ready to go. I'm thinking to make range a little bit, create another little low. Just trying to, find its foot. It got to find its footing right now. The market has to create a structure. Right now, it's starting off with a bearish structure, which is, as you can see, this is, if you just put it here, all you have to do is to understand what we got here. Let's put a trend line right on top of it. Boom. Let's let you know the direction it went. And this is off the 5-minute chart. This is only 1 day worth of movement. It's a brand new IPO, new chart analysis. So everybody get a shot at saying what Coinbase is going to do. All the big wigs on national networks are going to say what they're going to say. All the small guys on YouTube guys are going to be on YouTube saying what they're going to say. So we all here. We all taking a look at it. If anybody else want to look at it, y'all take a look at it too. Tell me what you think. Like and subscribe. Comment below. Yeah, Coinbase analysis, y'all. Alex Jenkins checking out.